So just nursing by bottle. What's the date today? May 2nd? Okay. So this is right next door to where Pete's is going to go. And I think there's maybe 15 people back there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can't really see. 6, 7. Probably somewhere around 10, between 10 and 20 people. But, you know, this is our home, and it's normally super peaceful, super quiet back here. And, you know, this is what it's like when, you know, Fleet Feet very rarely has an event like this, so we put up with it. We don't complain too much. But if Pete's next door, which is right behind it in that property with the blue just behind that, you know, every day, if they're going to have, you know, all day or even half the day, have patrons back there and people catching up on their weekend events and talking and gabbing and, you know, chit-chatting, talking on the cell phone, it's going to be a nightmare. And this is kind of what we're going to be dealing with. So we don't really want to be doing this. You know, it's 80 degrees in this apartment right now, and we got to leave this door open because it's so damn hot, you know.